My name is Elina of Elina Arts. I am currently a student in Pune University. I'm studying Bachelor of Education in Sciences, and I'm also an artist. I do art and painting as a hobby. I've been interested in art for a long time since I was young, and I've been drawing since I was in primary school and secondary school, and then I started painting up to now. My art is inspired by so many things. For example, my family. I'm inspired by my mom, my sisters, and also my grandmother, and also the environment around me, and also my personal experiences. I don't have a specific style right now. I'm still experimenting with different techniques. Yes, and it's still a process that I'm trying to enjoy. Some people have been really inspiring to me. For example, my uncle, who is also an artist, and I've interacted with other creatives around me, and I've interacted with their art, and they have also been inspiring. I think of an idea first, and then I sketch out the idea and try to outline maybe the main themes for the painting, and then afterwards I use canvas and paint, acrylic paint, and then I paint it on the canvas. As a creative, I have some personal struggles that I have to deal with alongside creating art, and also being a student. It's really hard sometimes to find the time to make creative pieces, and also sometimes I feel like art is not appreciated as much as I would like it to be. So a lot of my art, I involve my emotions when I'm creating it, and it's like a reflection of my personal experiences. So it's something that I'd like people to appreciate. So I have this painting here. So I created this in the course of about 1 month, and during the making of the painting, it was purely a painting of my emotions. So for example, if I was feeling happy, I would add some bright colors, like you can see here we have bright colors around, and when I was feeling maybe sad, I would add dark colors on the canvas. And after I was done with the coloring, I decided to trace out the edges, and that's how I created this piece. Joining Kijiji Sanaa has been really nice. I got to meet other creatives in Kilifi that I have not met before. We've interacted and it's been fun, and also it's a space, a safe space for artists and creatives to be themselves and produce the best work they can.